We are at the 8th and Pine Metrolink station, and this is the new elevator here. C.J. Anderson. It's nice and clean.
Used to be glass.
It's a good way down.
Did you ever ride this one in Montgomery?
I think I did. That's the station. Good door closing, push the button. I like that. Let's listen to motor. It's a nice elevator. Wave at the camera.
What do you think of Metro's new elevator?
It's a nice. They're nice. They're very nice. There it goes.
Yep.
That'll be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.